Hello and welcome back to our channel where we speak all about future, its analysis, technical analysis, and the psychology behind it. This video actually will be very special because it's a recap of the trade that I did today and what really happened. Honestly, it's a crazy big deal that happened today because what happened last week, I made over the entire week about $1,160, $1,158. Okay. And today, and as I entered into the market, actually, what happened? I had a plan. Okay. And ask me if I followed my plan. I didn't. Now, you might be looking at it and maybe think, you know what? Why wouldn't you if you have the plan? Why would you do it? Like I would follow my plan. You see, sometimes things happen that when we have a plan, all of a sudden we don't follow. Now, what happened? I want to recap on those things and show you exactly what happened. So today, I basically had a loss of 1,161, and this what we are looking at. So I will share with you the screen. Okay. So that's what happened here. Number one, I had the plan. Let me actually share with you also the plan on my trade Zelo. Okay, so right there. And usually, as you can see right now, it's 7:18 p.m. So tomorrow we only will see the registration of that trade because it's taking one business day to close, so they can with the API get transferred. But so I have a 1 hour zone. Okay, this is right there. This one, the green one. Okay, I had the 1 hour zone, which if I'm going to see movement towards it, I will short quick for a few points to take. Now, what that means that if we're already in the move short, so we're somewhere along like under this line, I will show those couple of points to take my profit. Done. Okay. And then I'm going to plan to re-enter longing from here going long. Okay, so that was my plan. And in the other way, so we need to look for a long position and short position, right? From both ways. If it will cross 20,750, I will be looking to take long towards this zone, 90 minutes. Okay, and then look to short from there. So from this 90 minutes, I will look to short. Okay, so basically, I wanted to gain from both scenarios. Okay, phenomenal. Now, let's look at what happened exactly there. We basically have the 30 minutes. We do the analysis, okay? And right here, I already shorted, okay? It just started to go down and I shorted. It didn't go yet down. No momentum built. It didn't come under nothing. I made a short because I thought, okay, phenomenal. This is the high of the day, high of overnight session. It's not going towards that, okay? And it's honestly, I'm even hesitating on saying that because I'm not here to talk about anybody that is online doing their thing. But yesterday I was sitting on Instagram and trying to see different scenarios, different strategies of people. And what happened? I saw somebody say, mark high of day overnight session. Okay, which I just had. Okay, right there. Sorry, let me do it again. Right there, overnight session 7:30, it was the highest. Okay, and before that nothing was, so that was the high. Then it said go from there and you can mark the first 15 minutes Okay, low of that. So I think I don't know why I saw that it's coming here. Oh, that was my first entry. Sorry, that was my first entry as well, which is fucked up. Literally on the low of low, I entered going short. Okay, so that was my other entry. So they say at the 15 minutes also mark. So then it will mark its direction. So you see, after 30 minutes, boom, it's direction going short. So I try to understand this new strategy. Now, I'm not blaming anybody. That's why I'm saying also anything that I show you from the expertise that I'm learning from to basically do for my own goods and share with you. So, what you have to understand that whatever I share with you, do your own analysis. Don't take take me as a guarantee type of I'm not going to put money in your pocket. I'm going to share with you what hopefully will put money in my pocket, and then will put money in your pocket too, because if we do similar strategies and it's worked for me and works for you, phenomenal. Last week I followed my strategy to the T. I was a lot more disciplined, which you don't understand how I was happy about, excited. I'm like, wow, that's it. I'm on my way to my $100,000, which I'm pretty certain I am, especially after today getting this fucking slap in the face. You know, I'm very happy about because it humbles you down to say, hey, don't rush, have patience. So as I made in my video of 10,000 to 100,000, first point, most important is patience. Why is it so important? Because you see, if I was patient enough, number one, you don't understand. I basically exited somewhere here. Um, Now you can see it went all the way up here and down. And from here, fuck, man, I made another mistake. I made a long today 2 times I got fucked. Okay. Now understand what happened. I will tell you. Right here, I got punished very well. Okay, was it right here? Yeah, I believe it was right here because it was literally my entry point. My entry point. So let me show you how I looked at it. It was on 1 minute chart. Okay, and 1 minute. Okay, then no, what time is it here? 11. No, so right here. This is what I was looking at. Okay, right there. So this rally. Okay, and I saw this massive short because of the rejection of the high. I thought, okay, let me enter. Now, as I'm planning to enter, I was thinking to go long. As I was planning to enter, I see this rejection. I'm changing my contract to go short. Okay. And right here somewhere, I enter. Okay. I enter 97. Right. Then it goes a bit down. Great. Goes up. Okay. I said, okay, you know what? Let me enter now here two more as it's coming down because you see it's forming lower. Okay. Now it's re-entered here. By the way, I have a video of this live trading. Okay. Um, I enter two more here, right? And then it goes up, and I'm saying that it's not passing this line. Okay. But I'm also saying that it's making higher. Okay. So I'm telling myself, okay, I might need to exit. Now, what I thought to myself, you know what? If anything, I will exit. As I was entering two more, I had 6 lots, okay? 6 lots, 3 entries, and my average entry then was 605, okay, right there. So as it was coming towards here, I wanted to take 2 out to re-enter, 2 after, okay? Now, as I was looking at the footprints, okay, I saw that it's fucking rejecting of the VWAP very well. So this was right by the VWAP. Let me see something. VWAP. Okay, I want to see if I can see the VWAP on my chart here. Something, please try again later. So it's not letting me. Okay, let's see. Opa, right there. Okay, so look at this. It's whatever. I don't know what is those different VWAPs. Okay, uh, but one second. I don't know what is that other VWAP. Um, but basically, okay, for the sake, I'm looking at the blue VWAP. Okay, uh, on the RSI, look here. On the RSI here, right there, it's rejecting of the VWAP, and on the actual VWAP of the chart, it's rejecting as well, and I fucking didn't exit. By the time I exit, I don't know why I held it all the way to basically get out of this stupid zone, and then I exit. Now understand something. I knew that it's going to go against me. Okay. Now here, as I had in my plan, at 50, I wanted to enter long. I didn't enter long. I said, you know what? Let me have additional confirmation that it will go a bit more higher. Now, as you can see here, it was oversold. Okay, oversold right there. And it's already crossing the VWAP. And at this point, I don't know why. Again, at the high, I entered long. I was like, what the fuck is happening today? I had only 2 trades, and I said, that's more than enough. Okay. On this one stupid trade, I lost $400. Now, somebody asked me, okay, so if you entered here, why didn't you hold and eventually it will come down? I say, yeah, right. Now, understand something. I had here, okay, right there. That was my average entry right there, right there. It's $193. Okay. Now, let's look at something. We're looking at $193. Okay. And honestly, my mentor will see this. He most likely will not be happy with me at all. Okay. 193 times 6 times $2 a point. Okay. We're risking $23,500 to potentially wait the entire day, freak the fuck out. Okay. And I'm not joking when I say that. It's, all day. It's like you blow out your account right there. Okay. To potentially make 55.25, if at all, times 6 times 2, $600. So that's like the worst trade you can ever ask for in one trade. Okay. So that's why I'm saying, honestly, it's important to follow your plan, to find your edge, to understand what you're trading and how you're trading it. Because I will be honest with you, I stupidly enough listened yesterday to this Instagram, and they're like, oh, yeah, and many likes. And I don't know how he got all those likes on his videos. I'm posting, from the great education that I'm getting from my mentor, and I don't, I'm posting things that people are teaching from Wall Street and Manhattan type of traders, and I don't get as many likes on my videos as of yet. It's okay. I don't complain. I don't care, because at the end of the day, I'm doing those videos for myself, for my journey, for me to really share with you, because I know eventually I will be very, very successful and top trader. So I'm doing it for my own journey to be able to post that. But at the same time, if I can have you watching it, capitalize on that as well, phenomenal. I know somebody that actually also doing very, very well, and now he opened his own firm to be able to share, to be able to uh, bring capital and bring great traders together, and he cannot share anymore his setups, his analysis and stuff like that. So while I'm learning from those type of people, I am able to bring that to you guys. I will do my best to make sure that I bring to you no bullshit type of type of work, because it's crazy how sometimes they say, oh, it's like first 15 minutes, that's the direction, this, that. I don't understand how the fuck they made that up, or the high of night session and the low of night session. Um, Maybe it works on other markets, but futures, I don't know. I'm reviewing mostly futures. Okay, so anyhow, this what was my video on that. Was a lot of like crazy moments today because I didn't follow my plan and I wasn't patient, and I try some strategies on a real account when, if anything, try it on paper trading and see if it works. And even if anything, you sit on cash, but at least you don't lose over $1,000 for nothing. So whatever I did last week, an entire week, work, sweat, patience, efforts, in one day, in couple of minutes, hours, blow like that. Is it bad? You know what? No trader, no business person, no entrepreneur, nobody has just the right to their success with no failure. So it's basically payment of insurance for your success. In business, whenever you start a business, you need to put some type of capital. Some businesses, okay, you might think, okay, it doesn't require capital, but it still will require you capital. Let's say an example. When you even are in sales, as a sales guy, okay, you get paid only for sales. If you work outside, if you even have a computer, phone, what you call internet, whatever it is, right? You have to pay certain expenses before you actually can make that call to the customer to make the sale. You have to drive to them. You have to do whatever it takes. It still will cost you some. You don't know if you will make the sale. Of course, you need to have the attitude you will make that sale. I get it. Trust me, I trained hundreds, if not over 1,000 salespeople to really become very successful in selling and build an amazing business to 8 figures. So I know, the mentality and the attitude to keep. And thanks to also a guy like Bob Proctor, a great mentor that I've been around for years and travel with him all around to really see different people and the best mindsets, and some people that even took the Oscar that Bob Proctor used to bring them on stage and literally show them how through visualization and actually living the moment you can win the Oscar, and he won the Oscar. So it's amazing what you can have in your life if you just put the work for it. So losses like today, I look at it as a lesson, as a punishment, so to speak, as a slap in the face that's saying, hey, listen to your own principles. You have a plan, follow the plan. Don't screw around. Okay. So this is what I have for you today on my trading for the day recap, and I hope to see you in the next one with more lessons that I take from my trading journey and the trading recaps that I do as well. And of course, I will come with more analysis and with more plans and other lessons that I learned along the way to add to my edge, so you can shorten your gap to your success faster. Thank you for watching. My name is Avi Aronov, and I will see you in the next one.